Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video on the goddamn internet. And today we're gonna be talking a little bit about Asmongold and his recent reactions to the drone sightings. And we're gonna take a look at three pictures, best parts at the end. Make sure you don't skip. And yeah, I appreciate the support recently. Trying to get to 500 subs, so subscribe, notifications on. Comment, let me know what you think about every part about this. Okay, um, leave a comment, yeah, a like, it helps me out to know that you enjoy the content. And share this with any friend or family member you know. That helps the absolute most. So yeah, let's fucking watch. So there's been a lot of reports and talk about this image right here. There are a few online, you can definitely find them if you look for them. r/UFOs is a very well-known, if not the largest, UFO Reddit thread. If I'm not sure, but I think so. And yeah, it's pretty interesting pieces people are seeming to pick up from these drones. Reminds me of the droplets that was found in the ocean by Dr. Harvey Loeb. And yeah, so let me know if you think there's a connection to do with all this. So Gary Nolan also tweeted about this image, and he was saying how interesting this is, and hinting at it. So that's pretty fucking interesting, right? What do you guys think? Do you think he knows something that he's not allowed to talk about because of his NDAs, his clearances, etc.?
This is all fresh in my mind, and I'm still trying to process what happened. During the evening of the 16th of December, I noticed a strange glowing object hovering towards the back of my house. I live in the countryside in the south of England, Wickham, and behind my house there was nothing. No buildings, no streetlights. It's just a large, grassy area/field where I often walk my dog. The object in question was circular or orb-shaped and was very bright to the point where my eyes couldn't focus on it. It reminded me of when you look at a star through a telescope. Slightly clearer, but you can't make out what it is due to the amount of light being emitted. Due to it happening at night, my iPhone camera did a terrible job at picking it up. The object made no noise. The only reason I knew it was there was because I let my dog out for her evening toilet before bed, and it was in my line of view as I opened the back door. The whole encounter lasted, I would say, around a minute. If I had let my dog out in the garden a few minutes before or after, I never would have seen it. About 20 seconds after initially spotting it, I noticed that it appeared to be dripping a molten-like metal onto the ground. After doing this multiple times, it started moving left in the sky. And after this, it vanished from sight due to moving behind the large oak trees on my property that are around 40 feet in height. I'll try and highlight this in one of my images. I've also adjusted the brightness to help highlight the object, as it's quite difficult to make out. I came upstairs and updated my husband about what I had just seen, and he suggested that the next morning we should head out into the field behind our house with his metal detector.
So that's really cool, right? So this guy takes his metal detector, and who the fuck owns a metal detector? Only time I ever see people with those is like on the beach searching for really old shit or like coins or I don't know, you know? And yeah, so this guy takes his metal detector and goes to look for some more of this stuff. And I would not say I would not do the same, you know, if I had that. But yeah, man, that's something pretty cool to happen to you. Whether it's black technology, operations, etc. It's a pretty cool find, right?
It took a while, but we started finding clumps of metal-like materials that looked as though they had been fused and heated at an extreme temperature and then cooled. The items also appeared multi-layered. Shortly after the sighting, there were helicopters in the area. We could hear them from our bedroom flying over our house, so we knew they were close. However, I will say that living in the south of England, there are multiple military sites, so not sure if that's a correlation. I've never seen anything like this before, and the whole encounter probably lasted no more than 60 seconds as the object was constantly moving the whole time. My question is, what did I see? Is it common for UFOs to drip metal, or could this have been something different? Is it worth sending these metal things off somewhere to get them tested? And if so, where would I send them? A university? Thanks.
So, Asmongold recently did a video talking about all these drone sightings, etc., right? And there's a person that took a video in a plane, and Asmongold reacts to this in a really funny way. He almost says the word aliens, but like stops himself. There's a British man that I think I saw on the Animal Planet. You know, those commentators describing what the animals. What the fuck is that guy doing on Asmongold? Is it like an AI voice, or what even is that? But yeah, if you know, please let me know in the comments down below. And his reaction is pretty good. Please check it out. It's worth a watch.
Oh no. Holy shit. Are these
For people missing context, in the last couple weeks there have been non-stop, unidentified aerial phenomenons over New Jersey, to the point that even the Pentagon had to comment, and also the president-elect.
Oh my god. Those are the Chinese spy drones. It's a fucking invasion. What if those things actually are aliens and they've already done preliminary research on our species and they realize that the best place to land and to make contact would be the United States? Aliens could literally land and nobody would believe it's actually happening because people are like, oh no, it's just a drone. It's fake news, bro. Guys, I'm not gonna say it, but man. Better to download this one. This is looking pretty disclosure-y. Oh boy, I am so ready for Trump to be the president. I could easily see this being like issue #1, is figuring out who is behind these drones.
Something strange is going on. For some reason, they don't want to tell the people, and they should, because the people are really, I mean, they happen to be over Bedminster. I think maybe I won't spend the weekend in Bedminster. I've decided to cancel my trip.
So we got a short one today, but content is not as prevalent right now as I think it should be. I don't know if it's quiet right now. Everyone's festive, everyone's on vacation, etc. But still some interesting things happening, and I will bring that to you. So make sure you subscribe, okay? And yeah, so this is the end. It's really interesting. I just also want to note that this user that posted all this, claiming to be the person that lives near where this happened, with the metal detector and all that, this person has deleted their Reddit account, and they went AWOL, okay? They are MIA, they are missing in action, okay? So yeah, that's just a pretty interesting thing that happened as well, part of the law. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe if you like content like this. Comment, let me know what you think about everything involved. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Grind to 500 subs, and I am out.